When I arrived at Computex 2018 in Taipei, I wasn't expecting to meet the king of gaming smartphones. But to my surprise, I did. Asus launched the ROG phone here, and I have to say it was the most crowded booth. The people went rogue over the ROG phone, and I know why. Even though I'm not much of a gamer, when I held ROG, I wanted to play a game and I continued playing it. It is a true gamer's machine. There's a 6-inch screen with 1080 by 2160 pixel resolution with 90Hz refresh rate, which means that the screen refreshes 90 times in a second for a smooth experience. Specs are top-notch with Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset clocking up to 2.96 GHz. 8GB RAM and variants of 128GB and 512GB with a battery of 4000 mAh. Squeeze the sides of the phone to enter the gaming mode. This shuts down background apps and optimizes the phone for gaming. Accessories play a critical role in the ROG phone. There's a clamshell accessory which has a second screen and is called the TWINVIEW dock. It has 6000 mAh battery in it and a 6-inch screen to match the ROG phone. There are also front-facing quad speakers and extra cooling with vapor cooling tech, which is usually seen in gaming laptops. It was impressive. On the second screen, I could display a chat related to the main game or even use it to live stream a game online. Then there's a dock with ports at the back that converts your phone to almost a PC. This mobile dock lets you build a complete desktop around the phone by connecting it to a monitor, keyboard or a mouse. For a non-gamer like me, it was a treat, and I'm sure for the real gamers, it would be an ideal companion.